Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW i4 hood. This process is a bit different from many other cars, featuring a two-stage release for added security. You'll find the hood release lever conveniently located in the driver's footwell, usually marked with a clear hood icon. Understanding this simple procedure ensures you can access the front compartment whenever needed. To begin, sit comfortably in the driver's seat. Reach down with your left hand and firmly pull the hood release lever once. You should hear a clear pop as the primary latch disengages. This action will cause the hood to slightly lift, typically by a few millimeters, indicating the first stage of the release is complete. After the first pull, wait a moment, then pull the exact same lever a second time. This crucial second pull releases the secondary safety catches, allowing the hood to be fully unlatched. You might hear another click or feel a slight give. Once this is done, you can exit the vehicle and proceed to the front of your i4. With both latches released, gently lift the hood from its front edge. The BMW i4 hood is designed to stay open on its own, without needing a separate prop rod. When you're finished, lower the hood to about 20 inches above the closed position, then let it drop firmly to engage both latches securely. You should hear two distinct clicks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.